Hello there. My name is Sarah Price, and if you are watching this video, you are probably a brand new Plexus ambassador, and so I just want to say how excited we are to have you on our team, how excited I am for you that you decided to take this jump and that you saw the potential in the business and the quality of the product. So with that, I'm going to show you how to log into your back office. Let me open up the browser here. Okay, and you're going to go to Backoffice. .plexusworldwide.com. If you have not registered for Backoffice, you're going to go under Register, and you're going to click here. Your member ID is going to be your ambassador ID, and the email address is going to be the email address that you signed up with. So you're going to enter those two things and then complete your registration. I'm going to use my husband's account for this. You're going to enter your username, which might be, for me, it's my ambassador ID, but when we signed him up, we did an actual username, so it's whatever you used in the sign-up process, whatever username and password you used. And first thing I want you to look at is this qualifications box. This shows you kind of where you are currently at. It shows you your current PV for the month. It shows you AWH stands for annual web hosting. If this is green, that means your $34.95 yearly fee is current. If it's red, that is going to mean that you need to renew. Then you have your backup order button. If this is green, that means your backup order is set and you're all good to go. If it's red, that means that it is not set up and you need to set it up. So, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. This here is going to show you your rank. If you drop down and click on any of these ranks, it's going to show you what you need to get to that rank. So to be a silver ambassador, you need 3 ambassadors underneath you. So this is going to show up in gray. For instance, for a gold ambassador, you're going to need 100 points and then 15 points outside your primary leg. So that just kind of gives you a gauge of how close you are to your next rank up. Now I'm going to show you how to edit your backup order, which you should have set up during your during the sign-up process. So after you click on backup orders, you're going to, if you wanted to change it for any reason, change the products, change the date it ships, or anything like that, you're going to click edit. Of course, click agree. Okay, so this is my husband's backup order. We have it set to conditional, which means it will only run if he doesn't hit 100 PV by the 18th of the month. You can edit that to be unconditional, meaning that you want it to run no matter what your PV is, which a lot of people do. That's just a way that for you to ensure that you don't get your products and you don't have to go in and do a manual order every month. You can also edit the date. And I want you to pay special attention to this because I've made this mistake before. Pay attention to the month here. It's going to show you 2 different months. So if you are wanting to change your date, just make sure you're clicking in the right month, because I know that's happened to a couple of my people too. So say I want to change this to run on the 17th instead of the 18th. I'm just going to click the date and click submit. Yes, I'm sure I want it to process on the 17th. And there it's updated. If you would like to change the products that you're getting in a particular month, you can do that as well. But I wouldn't, if you want to completely change your order, I wouldn't remove everything first. I would add what you want to add, and then go back and remove it. It just seems to work a little bit better and kind of have more of a seamless transition if you do it that way. So if you want to change your backup order, you're going to go to Continue Shopping, and this is going to show you different categories that you can look for products in. You can also item search, or you can scroll down. They have pre-selected backup order options, or you can create your own. So say I want to add some Mega X to my backup order. I'm going to click on Mega X. I want one bottle, and I'm going to add to my backup. And then I'm going to go back and look at my backup summary just to make sure that that's right. So there's all of your products that will be shipped to you or shipped to me, I guess, for the sake of example, on the 17th of each month. Let's see. And so when you're done, you can always remove and add more and all of that. But key thing is when you're done editing, you want to click Update Backup Order. And then here is your summary. And it all looks fine. So that's how you change your backup order. If you wanted to put in a manual order, say your backup order is not shipping until the 20th, but you need a bottle of ProBio right now, which definitely happens to me. So you're going to go to shopping, and then you can, I'm going to show you how to item search, because I feel like this is a quick way to find a product you're looking for. So I'm looking for ProBio, and here it is. It's going to be the first one, but it also will bring up any combo that product is in. So I'm just going to click on ProBio 5 because I just want one bottle. And add to cart and order checkout. Okay, so it's wanting me to re-enter my verification code. So you click on that, and then a box will come up, and you're just going to enter your code and then click Save. I'm not going to check out because I don't actually want this to go through right now, but that's pretty self-explanatory, the rest of it. You would just go through the checkout process. So that's kind of how to do a new order. If you want to track your orders, you can go here. And I want to show you a couple of reports that you will probably run fairly often. You can run a customer report, which will show you the names of all your customers, and his is actually empty. But it will show you their ID, which they will need if they're going to call into customer service, or if they're going to upgrade from a customer to an ambassador, they're going to need that number. It's going to show you the order, and you're going to be able to click on that and track their order if you need to. So this is super helpful to know, if someone has gotten their products and you need to check in with them, because just to make sure that they know how to take their products, or if you need to remind them that it's about to order again, or it's about time to order again, this is kind of where you're going to go to keep track of all that. Another really helpful report is Detailed Genealogy. This is going to show you all of the members in your downline. So as you start building and growing your team, you're going to have people in your downline. So this automatically populates to 10 levels, whether you have 10 levels or not. And it's also going to show you for the current month. If you want to go back a month or 2 months, you can do that. So if you scroll down, it's going to show you their name, their ID, what level they are. It's also going to show you their current PV, which is really helpful. Another great thing to know is when their backup order is going to ship, what day it will ship. And if you keep scrolling, it also shows you their contact info. I'm not going to keep scrolling because I don't want to give away all these addresses and phone numbers, but it'll give you their email, their address and their phone number if you just scroll with this bar here. You can also sort. So if you're gonna if you want to know, who had the highest PV on my team this month, you can click current PV, and it will regenerate. It's going to go to the lowest first, so if you want to reverse that, just click on it again. And it will show you biggest to smallest. And you can do that with, if you want to know, when auto ships are going to run, you can do that with any of these categories. So that's really helpful just in kind of gaining some information on your team. And last thing I want to show you is the shareables. So if you go to Tools and Shareables, these are just some helpful tools that have been recently set up for us. A really cool one is the digital brochure. You can send a product catalog to anyone now. You don't have to have them in your hand or stick them in the mail, which is super handy. We also have images. I'll show you that real quick. There's right now we only have images for Block and Edge, but they're working on images for all of our products. So just different things that you can share on Facebook. These are all compliant, so you can put them on your Facebook page, and there will be no issue with those. And there's also some videos on these products and different things like that. So that's just kind of a cool, helpful tool that they have just set up for us. There's also here, Plexus recently completed a clinical study on the triplex, which was really, really awesome for us. We get to say that that combination is now clinically proven to help people lose weight. So you can read about that there. Here's the before and after tool where you can submit before and after photos, and it will generate a compliant image for you to share on Facebook, which is really awesome. So that's, I think, kind of the most common things that you will use in your back office. There's obviously a lot more, and just kind of look around and look in the different categories and kind of just explore and see how to use it. But those are the things that I use most and that most people use most, and that will help you get off to a good start. So hopefully this helped, and if you have any questions, you can always get with your upline, and they would be happy to help you.